Outside, you can see downtown Minneapolis in the distance. We're expecting another quiet and dry afternoon, but later on in the week, we're going to get some rain. I know you mentioned Ben, so that's why soon we'll be in a Care 11 weather impact alert.
Yeah, that's right. And it's kind of a low impact event. We're not expecting a great deal of severe weather, but the potential is there to bring us some wet conditions for Friday's morning commute. So that's kind of the main impact with this. Some bouts of heavy rain as we wrap up the work week. But boy, by the time we get into the weekend, spectacular weather returns to the region. Now here's a look at the headlines for today. It's going to be another hot and muggy day. We're still dealing with haze from wildfires burning in the Pacific Northwest. That's about 1,000 miles to our west. And yes, heavy rain is possible late Thursday into Friday morning. This is kind of the emphasis. We showed this map yesterday. This is the risk for excessive rainfall. You can see this yellow shaded area, which is basically along and south of I-94 from the Twin Cities southward. These areas kind of emphasizing the south central part of the state. Best chance of seeing several inches of rain within a short amount of time. So because we haven't seen a whole lot of rainfall over the last couple of weeks, the threat for any flash flooding, any significant flash flooding, is pretty low. The soil is still very dry, so the soil is going to soak up the rainfall pretty quick. But we still could see some minor urban street flooding in some places, maybe some poor drainage areas and things like that. So this is microcast. This is going to show us where and when we expect the rainy conditions to arrive. Now, during the peak daytime heating hours today, microcast does show us a spotty shower is possible. Should be very brief. Overall, most of us are going to get through the rest of the day dry. Once we get into tonight and even tomorrow morning, we'll be tracking some dissipating storms across the international border. Most of us staying dry here, but by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, notice scattered activity develops as a frontal system approaches from the west. These could bring us a small chance for some aggressive storms. Western half of Minnesota, a marginal risk for severe weather, but I think we'll stay high and dry here in the Twin Cities until we get into Thursday night. Then as we head into Friday's morning commute, notice some heavy rain is possible from, again, the Twin Cities southward. We could certainly see an inch or more of rainfall within a quick time frame, but by mid-afternoon, it looks like the rain chances exits to the east, and by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, we dry out entirely. Here's your weekend forecast for the Twin Cities. Temperatures cooling back into the mid-80s, so seasonal temperatures under a mostly sunny sky. Elsewhere, here's your weekend getaways forecast. Friday looks to be the wettest day. We clear out to sunshine by Saturday. Humidity should be rather low both Saturday and Sunday. That'll lead to mostly sunny skies. It's been a while since we've seen a weekend this pleasant. So we have 2 more days near 90 degrees, so kind of on the hotter side, but pretty typical summer heat. We cool off Friday. Most of us will be in the 70s during most of the day with a mostly cloudy sky. Mostly sunny and warming up as we head into the weekend, and looks like mid to upper 80s return through early next week. Cece?
All right, thanks, Ben.